The song celebrates the festival with a melody that resonates with the joy and devotion of the occasion. The festival is celebrated primarily in South India and honors Goddess Lakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity. It occurs on the second Friday of August and is considered highly auspicious. A grand feast with traditional dishes is prepared and shared among family and guests. In some regions, the festival also includes music and dance performances. Temples often hold special pujas and events, allowing community participation. However, the essence of seeking the goddess's blessings for family prosperity remains central to the celebrations. The festival is a vibrant blend of devotion, cultural heritage, and familial bonds, reflecting the traditions of South Indian society. Celebrate the festive spirit with a beautiful melody that captures the joy and devotion of the occasion. Join us as we dive into this enchanting devotional song on the piano, bringing its heartfelt notes to life. Stay tuned for a full tutorial with musical notes in my upcoming videos, where I'll guide you step by step on mastering this excellent piece. Subscribe to our channel Musicies so you won't miss out on learning this inspirational and uplifting song, perfect for adding a touch of festivity to your piano repertoire. Let's embark on this musical journey together.